Step 1 is to go to the website that's giving out free PayPal money and free PayPal cash codes to everyone. Step 2 is to enter the amount of money you want to receive. And step 3 is to sit back, relax, and watch your PayPal balance grow. This is how much we've already earned just by logging into this new website. You may earn more or less than this, but we guarantee that if you watch this entire video from beginning to end, you'll earn this much, and maybe even more. The first thing we're going to reveal in today's video is a new website that's literally handing out free PayPal cash codes to everyone. The second thing we're going to show you is the various ways from which you can earn this PayPal money. And the last thing we're going to show you is how you can go on complete autopilot earning from this brand new website. Now, this website is completely free. You don't need to invest anything or pay anything in advance to participate. This method is also available in most countries. So make sure you test it out to see if it works for you. You can do this on your phone or your computer, it doesn't make any difference. We'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you don't get lost, confused, or miss anything that could be critical to our strategy today. It's quite tricky, even though it's simple. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end. Before we get into this, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. Click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. So here's a quick example on how to redeem this PayPal money. All you need to do is type in how much you want, let's say $1,000, and then click on this button that says claim this item. And that's it. It's super easy. You can put literally any amount you want, it won't matter. Now, our main platform for today is this, right on your screen. And as soon as you type the link in, this is where you're going to be brought. It says, sign up in 10 seconds. Make money online now, complete paid online surveys, earn points, and redeem for cash and gift cards from different brands. Here's how this website works. You sign up for a free account. Earn points by completing short opinion surveys or easy offers, and then redeem points for PayPal cash or choose from hundreds of gift cards. Here are some of the top rewards that you can redeem. As you can see, here is where you'll find PayPal money. You get paid instantly to your PayPal account. Get free PayPal money today. If you need more assurance that this website is reliable, they've already partnered up with quite the brands. So I do believe that this has enough assurance that the site is reliable and legit. After you take our paid opinion surveys, redeem your points for a gift card from hundreds of brand name choices. You can get free gift card rewards, such as Amazon gift cards, and our favorites Prize Rebel pays you by sending PayPal money directly into your account. Yes, the website we are in right now is called prizerebel.com. Now, we offer one of the best ways to make money online, and you heard all of that here first. This is going to be the next great thing. So go ahead and create an account for free, and you can either sign up with Facebook or start from scratch. Just provide all the details that they're asking, which would be your first name, last name, email, password, and then hit start making money. That should take us straight into your dashboard, which will look just like this. Now we know that it looks a little overwhelming because everything is everywhere. But don't worry, because we're gonna teach you everything on what to do exactly to make the most amount of money possible from this platform. Now the first thing you have to do is to earn quick money on this. Go over to Earn, which would be at the top part of your page, and then click on Offer Walls, and that's going to load this page right here. This basically has different offers, different surveys that you can participate in and earn from donations, app installs, info, AMD, many more. And right now, we're on all the featured offers of today. What you have to do is click on no cost, because we obviously don't want to spend money, right? Nobody wants that. Now, you can choose from any of the surveys displayed here and earn points. For every survey that you choose to take, you can get paid for your opinions or claim free samples. And you can even join in on a $10,000 giveaway. And all of this is completely free. And there's so much more on here that you can earn for free. We think this is really awesome because it's a great opportunity. The next place you have to go to is Win, which is also on the upper part. And then Contests. And that should take you right here. If you read this, it says, be a winner in our Offer World contest. To participate in the contest, all you need to do is complete and earn the most points from offers from the offer walls within the contest period. You must complete the offers with real information. The more offers you will complete, the more likely chance you're gonna win top prize for offer wall offers. To qualify, they must have been completed and been credited. After that, they'll give you a specific date that will qualify. So you have to do this within the given duration. The top one is already over 1000 points. And that's all from completing a service and different stuff. But if he wins this, he's going to get an extra 1000 points. So in total, he'll have another extra 1000 more points that he can easily exchange for PayPal money, which is just insane. Now you just need to try and beat this dude. So in the next contest that's coming, the top one will earn this much for exchange for those points, that's at least $1000. Now if you scroll down, you'll also see a US survey contest or a referral contest. So whatever you have or whatever you participated in, you've done the most at, you can participate in one of these or even all. If your top one is everything and earn 3000 points, that's probably thousands of dollars straight into your PayPal account. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends and hit the red subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. So let's get back to the video now. Now if you go over on win and then raffles, it's gonna take you right here. Now they do raffles every day. And this is free money that you can earn. As you can see, there's a $10 gift card, $25 gift card and a $20 gift card as well that you can enter and you can try your luck. If you scroll down, you'll also see upcoming raffles that you can prepare for yourself. So, this platform literally has everything you can possibly ask for in a website that gives you a chance to earn money for completely free and in so many ways. And we know that everything we said is probably already so amazing, and you just can't wait to try it out. But there is so much more that we obviously want to still be able to earn, even while we're asleep, or maybe when we are at a party or dealing with something serious. And for that, all we need to do is go on over to invite and then click on earn with referrals, which should take you over here. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just sit back and watch your point balance grow. When the referral earn points, you will earn a 15% bonus based on their earnings. Their referral program claims to be the best in the business and is the easiest way to earn with the website. You're going to earn 15% from your referrals earnings, which we think makes everything even crazier at this point. You can just copy the link over here and share it to literally anyone. Post it on Facebook, your Instagram, Twitter group chats. Show your family, tell your friends, tell people on the streets, maybe even post on Facebook groups or forums that are centered on wanting to make money online. These are just some of the many ways to share your referral link in the most clever ways possible that people actually want to click on and join. Now, let's say you've accumulated 100,000 points already. You can immediately exchange that for 1000 US dollars. And all you had to do was complete surveys and tiny little tasks to earn that much, or maybe even refer people, which we think is just absolutely insane. You just go on rewards, then PayPal custom amount. And here is where you can type in that you want $1000, click on this button, and boom, there's our $1000 straight into our PayPal account. And now we can finally rest. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. There are 2 more methods on your screen to make money online, check them too. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.